Hello, my name is Jean-Felix Wayezu. Today we are going to talk about Communicatai. Why is Communicatai and what is Communicatai? Communicatai, before diving in, let us talk about a true story which happened on me in 2023. In 2023, I was in Gakenye district where I met a girl called Alice. Alice was a very brilliant student born with a deaf who struggled to communicate with teachers and doctors as well. Every missed questions and misunderstood word limited her potential and isolated her. That's where the idea of developing that solution called Comunicatai comes from. From that day, I had an idea to develop that system to help all people who behave like Alice, to help them to communicate and increase their well-being and social inclusion. So after analyzing that problem and aligning the problems, I have got a problem statement. The first one was communication barriers for deaf and those people who got hearing impairments. And also there is isolation and social inclusion, also limited access to education and services, and also lack of affordable and scalable solution, because you can be providing a solution but which is not affordable and scalable to the people. After analyzing that problem, we have come up with a solution. You can imagine what was the solution to that problems. The solution is just simple. The solution is system for real-time translation, because these people, they spoke a language which is sign language and also a body language. So to communicate with the other people, they need a real-time translation system which can translate from that sign language to the language like English and others. Also, there is a system which is accessible and affordable. We have look and analyze that we can be providing a solution but which can be inaccessible and which can be not affordable to anyone, but we are bringing a solution and we decide to do a solution which can be accessible by anyone and everywhere, and which can be also affordable in terms of money, terms of prices. So we have combined the all above solution into a single solution called a Comunicatai, which is an all-in-one solution because it is an AI-powered application that can translate sign language into English in real time. So I will be using in English because now in the startup we are using in English as base, but later as an expansion of our solution we'll be embedding another language. So we have developed that system, that Communicatai to breaking communication barriers for people with hearing impairments. Our solution is accessible, affordable, and user-friendly. It is accessible everywhere because if you have internet, you are offline, you can just use our solution. And it is affordable because of revenue model that we are going to talk about later. And it is user-friendly because no extra knowledge to use our system. And let us talk about the objective on impact of our system, our project, or our solution, just as you can talk. So in order to our project, it aligns with the UN SDGs. As UN SDGs suggests, also our solution reduces inequalities, because there was inequalities among the people, and those people who got their hearing impairments, where they isolate them, but we are reducing that inequalities. Also, there are quality education. Also, we are improving good health and well-being. Just imagine if people is not being isolated, is in social inclusion. We are increasing social inclusion. So that's why we are helping people to improve their good health and well-being. Also, we are going to talk about future trends. We are bringing a solution, but there are future trends that we will be embedding to our solution. There is an integration of IoT devices to hold our solution. There are an AI-powered disease prediction. So we are bringing a technology. I can call it an all-in-one. Imagine if someone is using our solution just to translate from sign language to the human to other language like English or Kinyarwanda and others. And that AI has power, it has capabilities to detect or to predict the disease that can come to that person. That's an amazing. We are bringing a solution. Also, will be embedding if mobile expansion or mobile expansion by bringing in or creating new features. Also, there are data analysis and reporting. Just because we are doing AI, the AI have to automatize the reporting to the of the on the user who is currently using our solution. Also, we have a targeted customers. Who are our targeted customers? Our targeted customers are the following. Number one, we have individual with hearing or speech impairments. These are people on our target customers. Also, we have families or caregivers of people with hearing impairments. Not only that, but also there's B2B customers like hospital and clinics or non-governmental organization and advocacy organization. These are target customers where they will be using our solution or our system to help that people who got that problem to just to be in social inclusion or just to be to have a social inclusion. Also, we are bringing the solution to the market. That's why you have to talk about to go to the market strategy. What are the strategies that we are using to survive on the market? Number one, it is partner with inclusive schools, NGOs, and healthcare centers. Number two, it is social media campaigns and targeting individual and families. So as you know, nowadays the technology is evolving faster. So we are thinking of to collaborate with social media influencers because you know social media influencers can carry the message to the large scale of the community. Also, their pilot programs to validate and showcase the solution. That's it. And also, we have to talk about competitive advantage to our solution, to the community. The first one is real-time AI translation, real-time artificial intelligence translation, because that people need a direct, a real-time translation as they do their sign language. They have to have an AI translation to translate automatically from that sign language to the other languages like English and the Kinyarwanda and another language officially spoken on this world. Also, it is multi-device access. Our solution can be accessible on any device you can have, like smartphones, like tablets, Android systems. Also on the computer, any computer you can be having, you can just access our solution. Also, it is scalable and user friendly. It is scalable because it can accept many features, can embed many features, and user friendly because it has got well visualized interfaces for the users. So let's talk about our roadmap. We are bringing a solution but have a roadmap. We have started in September. We have finalized project requirements and AI model design, and we went in October where we collected and annotated the sign language dataset for the training our model or training our AI. We are currently in November. We are developing a core AI translation engine. In December, we'll be launching a minimum viable product or MVP for piloting and testing with a selected user who may be our targeted customers. In January 2026, we'll be final release of version 1.0.1. Version 1.0.1 is standard validating of the version of the system, and we will be releasing our version 1 simply. Also, let's talk about our business model. After understanding our solution, you can ask yourself, what about the business model and the revenue streams? It's just simple. We have a free premium model. We have a freemium model, or we can say it is a free model. If it is a free mode, you can use our system in free, where individual users or basic app free accessible core AI translation features. Also, we have a premium subscriptions where advanced features and priority support and offline translation. We have a B2B licensing where schools and hospital and public institution meet users access on the administrative dashboards. Also, we have an API access and custom solutions. API are application programmer interface. As you understand, our system have no limit because the programmer or developer have to can take our API, release the API and then embed in their own solution. So it is a scalable, inclusive model enabling individual users and institutions to access to our AI-powered translation solution while generating a sustainable revenue. So let's talk about our team. So I can't do that alone. I am with my team. So our team is a passionate group innovators combining expertise in healthcare, artificial intelligence, user-centered and design, united by one mission, just to provide a solution which can impact a society. My name is Jean-Felix Wayezu, a programmer and CEO. We have also Umurerwa Clarisse, who is co-founder and the chief finance officer. There is Izere Hirwa Roger, who is a programmer. Also Pascal Hakizimana, who is a pharmacist. Thank you for your time, for hearing and listening to us. We do appreciate your time. Thank you.